This video will go from this, to this, using this. Alright, so the battery in the Thunderbird has given up. I've tried to keep it charged, but it just won't hold the charge at this time, so I need to replace it. First thing I gotta do, of course, is get into the trunk. With a dead battery, you can't use the remote, right? But what you can do, you can get inside the car right here. Okay, so to open the trunk, this is behind the seat. So what we do is put that key in there. Oh, come on. There we go. Mine doesn't fit in quite the way it should. Now, closing the door, of course, is going to be difficult too because the window doesn't auto roll down. Alright, so next up, you got to remove the spare tire cover, which I've already done. And by the way, if you still have your old spare in there, get rid of it. See my video on what happens to those old spares. Firestone spares were terrible. Alright, so next, got to remove it. It's going to be a little tricky getting it out of here. First thing is take the cables off. I always take the negative off first. That way if you happen to hit the frame of the car, you won't get sparks. Okay, so the battery connections are 8mm. So I'm going to pop this panel off too. Looks like that'll give me more room. So to remove the panel, it's going to be these little guys right here. There's the panel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 of them. Okay, what? Oh, there we go. Okay, lift that out of the way. Now we can access the battery easier. Had to drop one of those. Let's tighten it. Okay, there's the ground off. Pull the positive off. Positive. Next will be this guy. There's the battery. Now then, the last thing is this vent tube right here, and it just pops out. So that's easy enough. Now if you're lucky enough to have one with a go handle, you just pull it up. This one looks like it used to have a go handle. Oh, you know what else? I've got more bolts to undo. Got some bolts right down here. Look like they're at least 10mm. Okay, this one down here, these two are 13s. Then of course reverse and reinstall. Oh, make sure you get the cables connected up right. And by the way, this one has the manufacture date on it. My old one did not, nor did it have the go handle. Come on now. There we go. Okay. So I am going to go ahead and connect it and double check everything. Prior to bolting it all down. Find my wrench. You know what? I probably need to just go ahead and bolt it all down too. Yeah, I changed my mind. I'm going to bolt it all down. There we go. It's in, right? Yeah, it's in. Okay. Losing the light, man. Losing light. Oh, that darn cable's stiff. Snap. Yeah, I probably should let that cable off. There we go. You know what I did not do? I did not put that vent tube on. Okay, put you back down there. And just so I don't forget about it. Well, that's not good. Okay, and the vent tube, almost panicked there for a minute. Can we see that? Okay. Yeah, it goes in this hole right here. Right, so, I'll pop in right. There we go. And probably should have shown this part out. There's a little vent area right here on the side of the battery. Plugs into. Okay. finish tightening that down. That. Put this in. What size was that? 8 millimeters, right? Better with the wrench. Yeah, make sure you have that vent tube. That's important thing to have since this is in the trunk of the car. Alright, pretend like that's done. So I'm losing light. Alright. Go. Yay, it's in. There's the panel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A couple of notes while I'm buttoning this up. Depending on what kind of battery you have, for the vent tube you may have to either puncture the seal on the side that you're going to use, or maybe seal up the other side of the one that you're not going to use. So be sure to make sure that the side that you're using the vent tube on is open to the vent tube, and the side that you're not using is closed up. Also, after putting the battery in, your windows probably will not auto roll all the way up. And so there'll be a separate video on how to program that. It's a pretty simple procedure, and I'll drop a video showing that procedure. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.